Hi guys, so here is my short video on how I paint fish. I hope you like this video. So first I'm painting the body. I'm using orange, and red. And now let's add the fins. I'll be using purple and blue as my base. Let's make the tail, and I want it big and flowy. So here is my fish. It already has its form, and now let's add more details, like the scales. Adding more colors on the fins and tail. I'm using purple, red, pink, and white. Using a small brush, add black to the eyes. So while I'm drying the painting for a bit, I decided to put on some bubbles. So here is my fish is almost done. You can use any color you want and be as playful as you can. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to leave comments and suggestions, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you!